This is Nathan with Rocky Mountain Twist and Montana Brand Tools. Today we're going to give you an example of how some of our innovative tools can be used to make your projects a little simpler. One of the common project issues people have is, from a woodworking standpoint, trying to make their fine woodworking piece come out without any examples of the fasteners used to put that together. So one of the common ways to do that is to generate a plug and hide that. What we're going to demo today is the variety of tools we make that help you accomplish that task. Starting with the drill drive tool. Counterboring our hole. Picking up our fastener. Attaching whatever would be fastening together. Quick exchange. Looking here now to just a scrap piece. Snapping the plug out. Using that plug to then fill. Normally you'd have some glue or something along those lines here, but we'll just secure it in place with some quick mallet work. Flush cut that relatively. You can see how well that works.
That is the drill driver tool and self-centering plug cutter from Montana Brand Tools.